Steps to binding glossy paper using the Coverbind Accel Flex 5000. First, measure the document to be bound using the cover size selector on the cooling rack and select your cover. Second, load your document into the cover and drop it into the Flex 5000. Third, for gloss paper only, tap your cover into the Flex 5000 3 times. This will extend the binding cycle. Align and jog your sheets, making sure all your sheets are flat on the heat plate and into the cover spine. Fourth, remove the covers from the Flex 5000 and drop them into the cooling rack. Fifth, let cool for 2 minutes. Sixth, your document is complete, professionally and securely bound.